Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Hyundai Sonata's door handle. This guide will help you tackle both exterior and interior handle replacements. Before we begin, ensure you have a few key tools ready. You'll need an 8mm socket, a ratchet, and a flat blade screwdriver. Safety glasses and gloves are also highly recommended to protect yourself during the process. Now, let's get started with removing the old handle. First, open the door and find the small plastic cover on the door jamb, usually near the lock cylinder. Gently pry this cover off with your flat blade screwdriver. Inside, you'll find an 8mm bolt. Use your socket and ratchet to carefully loosen and remove this bolt, being mindful not to drop it inside the door. Once the bolt is out, slide the handle backward and then pull it away from the door. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. If you're replacing an interior handle, first connect the cables to the new assembly. For both types, carefully slide the new handle into the door opening, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Once in place, reinsert the 8mm retaining bolt and snug it down. Remember, you don't need to over-tighten it, just make sure it's secure. Finally, let's finish up and test your work. Replace the small plastic cover over the bolt access hole on the door jamb. If you remove the interior door panel, carefully reattach it, ensuring all clips and screws are secure. Now, thoroughly test the new door handle. Open and close the door several times, checking both the interior and exterior handles for smooth and reliable operation. Congratulations, your Hyundai Sonata's door handle is now fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.